Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylee and I actually just purchased 2 boxes of MaxFull hair extensions. These are tape-ins. I ended up purchasing 2 different colors of extensions. The first one is this dark brown or darkest brown, I think is what it was. The second one is this very intimidating balayage blonde and brown set of extensions. So they're beautiful, but I have absolutely zero blonde and a very little to no highlights in my natural hair. So I'm really curious to see if this is actually gonna blend well. This is pretty much exactly what the pictures online look like. So this is my bad for purchasing these ones over some other ones that probably would have looked better. So if these end up looking a little odd in my hair because of the color match, we're just gonna ignore that entirely and focus on the quality of the hair, because this is real human hair and it feels amazing. It is so soft. And so I'm really hopeful that this will look really nice in my hair. Each one of these packs come with 20 tape-in extensions, which means you get 10 pairs. So I have 20 pairs right here, or 40 extensions. So I'm gonna go ahead and use one extension from each of these packs for my sandwiches or my pairs. And I'll show you what that looks like when I get started. But I think that'll really help them to blend a little bit nicer in my natural hair and help it to look a little bit more realistic. Fingers crossed, we'll see. But so far, I'm super impressed with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started putting these in my hair. I'm just going to lay them all out in their proper pairs, and that'll just help to make the application process a little bit more smooth. So this is what the weft actually looks like. They are seamless, and so they will lie a little bit better on your scalp and will be harder to see because they are more sleek than other types of wefts. So I started by parting my hair pretty low while still leaving about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of hair below my bottom row of extensions. That way, if I wanted to pull my hair up, there would still be enough hair below it to conceal the first row of extensions. I then applied my extensions by placing the top extension directly onto my hair and then lifting it up and taking only the hair that stuck to the adhesive with it and separating out the loose hair. I then tried to align the bottom extension with the top extension by using my index and middle finger to feel where the edges of the top extension was. I use the same application method for the rest of the extensions while alternating their placement in a brick pattern on the back of my head. I placed 4 rows of extensions on the back of my head. I started with 2 in the first row, 3 in the second row, 4 in the third row, and then went back down to 3 in the fourth row. This is pretty repetitive, so I'll go ahead and skip over the last 2 rows. I decided to put the extensions framing my face at an angle. That way, putting my hair up into a ponytail is a little bit easier. It also gives the illusion of some longer layers in the front without having to cut any of the length off of the extensions. This is my hair with all 40 pieces of tape-in extensions / 20 pairs of extensions. Honestly, I feel like the blonde blended pretty well. I mean, it's definitely still streaky at some points because, I mean, it is streaky, but I don't mind it. I actually kind of really like it. I feel like it actually actually looks pretty good. I am gonna go ahead and style it really quickly, just throw some curls into it so that it matches with the texture that's in my natural hair right now a little bit better. So this is how my hair looks after I curled the ends of it. I think it's really cute. The length is perfect. It made my hair quite a bit thicker, so that's amazing. Honestly, I really love these. I think next time I will probably get 3 to 4 boxes. I do have really thick hair, so maybe if your hair is similar to mine in density, or that it is a fairly blunt cut as well, you would probably also want to get more than 2 boxes, but definitely 2 at the minimum. But I do think once you curl it, it definitely helps to blend the hair together. But yeah, so this is how my hair turned out with the extensions. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It really means the world to me. So I hope to see you next time. Bye!